You've seen them on birthday tables, in school lunchboxes, lined up like little crowns in bakery windows, perfect frosting swirls, rainbow sprinkles, that unmistakable paper shell. But behind the cuteness is a story of survival. A story baked during war, frosted by post-war marketing and launched into space by social media. This isn't just dessert, it's rebellion, reinvention, a tiny cake that rose from scarcity and became a global icon. Today we unwrap the past to reveal how a downsized treat became a billion-dollar empire. This is Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. It begins in the 1940s. World War II rages. Flour is rationed. Eggs are scarce. Sugar, precious. But birthdays still come. Soldiers still write home. And in American kitchens, women adapt. Cakes, once grand, layered, indulgent, are now baked in teacups. Smaller, simpler, shareable. They come to be called cupcakes. The war ends and cupcakes stay. Now they bloom in pink-tiled 1950s kitchens, symbols of homemaking and domestic pride, the perfect bite-sized celebration, the modern woman's signature bake. But the sweetness fades. In grocery aisles, they become plastic-wrapped, mass-produced, boxed, forgettable, cheap sugar in waxy cups, until 2000. A single scene from Sex and the City. Magnolia Bakery, 2 women, 2 cupcakes. And suddenly, boom, cupcakes become chic. They appear in high fashion shoots, on TV, in boutique bakeries, sprinkles, crumbs, baked by Melissa, a renaissance, a sugar-coated comeback, then Instagram. The cupcake is reborn as content. It glows under ring lights. Frosting becomes art, swirls, sparkles, unicorns, matcha, gold leaf black velvet, vegan cupcakes, keto cupcakes, gender reveal cupcakes, each one photogenic, shareable, marketable. The cupcake becomes a social symbol, a sugary flex, and a serious business. By the early 2010s, the cupcake industry peaks at over $1.2 billion per year. One bakery sells out daily, another installs the world's first cupcake ATM. Yes, an ATM. For cake. But under the glitter is still the same core, red, vanilla, chocolate, handed over with a grin, unwrapped and eaten in 3 bites. Today it's still made at home, by grandmothers, influencers, school kids, Michelin-starred chefs, in paper liners, on birthdays, after breakups, for bake sales. Because someone needs something sweet, and just enough of it. So what is a cupcake? It's the story of post-war hope, of women reclaiming the kitchen, of pop culture and frosting spirals. It's nostalgia in a wrapper. And an empire made of sugar, eggs, and imagination. From rationed flour to TikTok trends, from housewives to hashtags. This is a dessert that outlasted entire brands, entire empires. And it's not going anywhere. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite way to make a cupcake? Traditional vanilla, bold espresso with chili, vegan red velvet? Drop your go-to recipe or secret trick in the comments. Let's see what your cupcake empire looks like. And don't forget, for more edible stories, from revolutions to royal feasts, subscribe to Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened.
Bon appétit!